Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on the C-Class again today, the generation from 2008 to 2015. What we'll show you to do, how to remove or replace the DRL lights, the whole assembly. Left and right side will be identical. It's very simple procedure. Stay with us, we'll demonstrate on this side. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So with the Torx 20, okay, this is the Torx bit 20 now, and a screwdriver, we are going to remove four screws there. Okay, you can see one in each corner. Okay, perfect. Now you grab it and you pull it out like that. So next we're going to need a small flathead screwdriver, okay, to disconnect the wire. Okay, let me show you because it's impossible to see here from the sun. So this thing needs to go towards the back, the silver piece, gray piece. Now you push down in the back side and pull it out. Okay, like that. And you get that thing out of there. So that's how you remove that DRL assembly, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.